Welcome, my friend from the future. In my time, we understood that sound carries healing power. Our drums, rattles, and chants create vibrations that restore balance to the body and spirit.
Fascinating. We've actually built on those ancient principles. By 2100, we use AI-calibrated sound frequencies that target specific cellular regeneration. Your intuitive understanding was scientifically spot on.
The light from fire also played a role in our healing ceremonies. We believed the dance of flames could drive away illness and bring clarity to troubled minds.
That's remarkable. We now use precisely calibrated light wavelengths to treat various conditions. Red light therapy stimulates cellular energy production, while gamma frequencies at 40 Hz have shown promise for brain health.
It seems the core wisdom remains the same across centuries. Our bodies respond to the natural energies around us. We simply need to apply them with intention.
Exactly. The biggest advancement isn't the technology itself, but our understanding of how to personalize these therapies. Your shamanic practices were already doing this, tuning treatments to each individual's needs.
Perhaps wisdom travels in circles, my friend. What was known becomes forgotten, then rediscovered with new understanding.
A perfect observation. The best innovations often come from honoring ancient knowledge with modern tools.